Active recall. Instead of rereading notes, close your book and try to remember what you just learned. Ask yourself questions and write down the answers from memory. This forces your brain to actually think, not just absorb passively, which is easily forgotten. It's one of the most effective methods to lock info in long-term, quickly, especially before exams. Spaced repetition. Cramming can get intense and exhausting, but spaced repetition is smart. How to do it? You study the same topic multiple times over, while increasing the intervals, for example, 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days. Apps like Anki or physical flashcards can help do the tracking. This technique strengthens your memory like a muscle. The more spaced, the stronger it gets. Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then rest for 5. That's 1 Pomodoro. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, like 15 to 30 minutes. This structure keeps your brain sharp and avoids burnout. It also turns study time into focused sprints instead of long, boring marathons. Feynman technique. Learn it first. Then, explain it like you're teaching a 5-year-old. If you can't simplify or summarize in your own words, you won't really understand your study. This method reveals the gaps in your understanding, so you can fix them. It works best for science, math, and anything with keywords and definitions. Blurting. First, reread your notes for about 30 minutes. After that, close your book and write down everything you remember about the topics and keywords without checking your notes. It's messy, fast, and a little chaotic, but that's the point. Then, you go back and compare it with your textbook or class notes while fixing your mistakes in the meantime. It helps you see what's strong and what's missing in your brain. Mind mapping. After taking notes from lecture, turn your notes into a visual map with arrows, keywords, and connections. Start with a central idea and branch out subtopics into circles. You can also color each circle to help with remembering the context. This helps your brain organize information spatially, not just in lines. It's especially great for visual learners and complex topics. Past paper practice. Actually, doing past questions isn't just practice, it's strategy. You learn how questions are asked, how answers are expected, and what mistakes to avoid. The goal isn't to get them all right at first, it's to get familiar. The more papers you do, the more confident and exam-ready you become. Interleaving. Mix different topics or subjects in one session instead of sticking to one. It trains your brain to switch gears and make deeper connections. For example, study algebra, then biology, then history in one study block. And then use more than one study block in your schedule. It keeps things fresh and makes learning feel less repetitive. Teaching someone else. Grab a sibling, friend, or even a pillow and try to teach them the topic. Saying things out loud forces you to clarify your thoughts. You'll realize where you're solid and where you're still shaky. Even a bonus fact, explaining boosts confidence and recall when it really counts.